game-changing DCT dual-clutch transmission option. Twist and go convenience. For riders who choose the DCT trim, the Rebel 1100 removes the clutch lever and foot shifter entirely. It operates seamlessly like an automatic, eliminating the risk of stalling. Commuting. DCT reduces rider fatigue heavily in stop-and-go city traffic, yet still allows the rider to manually override gears using handlebar paddle shifters when they want a sportier ride